Chapter 18, The Environment and Us. The environment gives us air, water, food, and shelter, helping all living things survive. It is our responsibility to protect and care for the environment to keep this balance. Today, we are going to learn about how the environment and we, as humans, are connected to each other. Everything around us, plants, animals, land, water, and air, is part of the environment. Let's understand how human actions affect the environment and what we can do to protect it. Deforestation and its effects. When forests are cut down for farming, building roads, or making houses, the number of trees reduce. This is called deforestation. Trees give shelter and food to animals and birds like tigers, deer, monkeys, and elephants. When forests disappear, these animals lose their homes and food. Some animals may die or leave the place. As a result, the number of living things in that area becomes less. Environmental changes due to human activities. People change the environment in many ways. Marshy lands are filled up to make new buildings. Dams are built, which changes how rivers flow. Factories throw wastewater into rivers and soil, which pollutes them. When we use too many chemical fertilizers or pesticides, it spoils the soil and water, harming plants and animals. Air pollution and its causes. When we burn petrol, diesel, coal, or wood, harmful smoke is released into the air. Factory chimneys also release poisonous gases. Trees help clean the air by taking in carbon dioxide, but when trees are cut, there are fewer trees to absorb carbon dioxide. This increases the amount of carbon dioxide in the air and causes global warming, which means the temperature of the earth rises. Need to maintain environmental balance. Because of human activities, the balance of air, water, and soil is disturbed. When animals and plants die out, food chains get broken. If this continues, scientists warn that all life on Earth may be in danger. That is why we must protect the environment and maintain balance. Our needs and the environment. Many times, we use things we don't really need. We waste resources like water, electricity, and fuel. It is important to control our wants and use only what we need. We must also reuse and recycle things to save natural resources. Global efforts to protect the environment. Countries all over the world are now making rules to protect the environment. National parks, biodiversity parks, and sanctuaries are made to save wild animals and plants. Some examples are Kaziranga National Park, Tadoba National Park, Radhanagari Sanctuary, and Mayani Lake Bird Sanctuary. These places protect special animals and birds. Traditional Indian conservation practices. In India, there is a tradition of protecting nature through devrais. Devrais are small forests where cutting trees or hunting animals is not allowed. This helps plants and animals grow safely in that area without any modern rules. What we have learned. Forests are important for life. Cutting down forests harms animals, plants, and humans too. Pollution and overuse of resources disturb the balance of nature. We must save and recycle resources. National parks, sanctuaries, and devrais help protect nature.